Hey guys, if your Battlefield REDSEC is not launching, don't worry, I got you covered. First of all, if you have the game on Steam, then open the Steam app, go to library, hit right click on Battlefield 6, then go to properties and go to this option install files. Right here you will able to see the option verify integrity of game files. Click on that and the game will get repaired. Now you can go and relaunch the game and see if your problem solved or not. Same thing you can do on EA, like just open EA app, select Battlefield 6, click on manage, click on repair and the game will get repaired. Again you need to relaunch the game and see if the problem solved or not. If your problem persists, then the solution number 2 you can try is to just open the Nvidia app. If you have Nvidia GPU, then go to graphics, select Battlefield 6 and make sure that this smooth motion option should be turned off. Once you do this, go to global settings and again you need to turn off this smooth motion option. Once you do this, close everything and relaunch the game and see if the problem persists or not. Now after trying first two solutions and if your problem still persists, then the last solution you can try is to just open the location where you have installed Battlefield REDSEC, then hit right click on Battlefield 6 logo, go to properties, select the option compatibility and just check these two options. First is disable full screen optimizations and the second is run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, click on OK. Now close everything and restart the game. Your game should run now. And yeah, these were some solutions which you can try to fix this issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.